Hey there, gentlemen. If you're over 60, let me ask you this. Have you noticed your energy slipping away? Your mornings feel sluggish, desire has faded. And maybe you've started doubting your vitality. What if I told you that this isn't about your age at all? What if I told you these changes you're feeling aren't a sign that you're getting older, but a sign that something much simpler, much more fixable is at play? What if I told you the secret to feeling like a new man again, without pills or gimmicks, lies in something simple that's been missing from your diet for far too long? It's not some exotic superfood. It's something far more familiar and accessible. Fruits. Yes, fruits. And they're sitting right there in your grocery store, waiting to do wonders for your health and vitality. I'm Dr. Eisenberg, a men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience working closely with men, just like you, men who want to reclaim their strength, their energy, and their confidence. I understand the frustrations you're facing because I've seen them in my office every day. From declining energy to that fading sense of vitality, I've helped countless men navigate these challenges and come out stronger on the other side. What I'm about to share with you isn't about the latest trend in testosterone injections or quick-fix prescription drugs. It's not about chasing the next exotic superfood or complicated regimen. What I'm talking about today is far simpler and far more effective. It's about natural, delicious fuel that your body already recognizes and responds to. The real question is, are you ready to start feeling better today? Because with just a few simple changes, you could start transforming how you feel in the next few days, not months. There are 3 fruits that, when added to your diet, can completely reawaken your energy, restore your vitality, and even improve your performance, without the need for expensive prescriptions or complex treatments. Picture this: a vibrant red fruit that works to flood your arteries with fresh, oxygenated blood. A rich green fruit that gently and naturally restores your testosterone levels. And a sweet golden yellow fruit that provides you with the sustained energy you need from the cellular level up. These aren't exotic supplements, and they're not complicated remedies. They're simple, powerful, and packed with everything your body needs to feel younger, stronger, and more alive. Let's dive into these fruits and explore how they can bring real, lasting change to your health and vitality. Before we dive into these incredible fruits, I want to make sure you're getting everything you need to stay strong, energized, and confident as you move through your 60s and beyond. If that sounds like something you're ready to achieve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss a single health tip that's tailored just for you. And if you find this video helpful, I'd love to hear from you. Just type 1 in the comments to let me know. If you're looking for something different, or if you have specific questions, type 0 and tell me what you'd like to see next. Your feedback means a lot to me and helps me make sure I'm giving you the best possible advice to take control of your health. 1. Pomegranate. Let's start with pomegranate, a fruit that might not be the latest health craze, but don't let its humble reputation fool you. This fruit has been studied for its powerful effects on circulation and vitality for years, and the results are nothing short of impressive. I'll never forget a patient of mine, George, a 72-year-old man who came into my office one day feeling completely worn out. He was low on energy, lacked the confidence he once had, and said, "Doc, I'm just not the man I used to be." Does that sound familiar? If you're like George, you might feel like your best days are behind you, but what he didn't realize was that his issue wasn't age, it was blood flow. And that's where pomegranate comes in. Pomegranate is loaded with polyphenol, natural compounds that promote blood flow, help expand your arteries, and most importantly, increase nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is the key to relaxing your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow freely to the areas where older men need it most. When that blood flows, you're not just feeling better, you're feeling revitalized. And here's the real kicker. Clinical studies have shown that men who drank pomegranate juice every day saw noticeable improvements in erection strength and endurance in as little as 2 weeks. That's right, 2 weeks. No pills, no expensive treatments, just pure, natural restoration. I saw the proof myself. 2 weeks after George started drinking just a small glass of pomegranate juice each morning, he walked into my office with a different energy. His posture had improved, he was smiling more, and even joked that his wife started looking at him differently again. That wasn't magic, that was biology at work. Biological restoration from a fruit that's been quietly supporting men's health for centuries. If you've been feeling like George, like you're losing something that once came easy, don't overlook the power of pomegranate. Start small, incorporate it into your daily routine, and you might just see your energy and confidence come back in ways you didn't expect. 2. Avocado. Now, let's move on to avocado, a creamy, green fruit that's more than just a trendy snack. It's a powerful tool for restoring testosterone and boosting your overall vitality. You see, I had a patient named Harold, 68 years old, who came to me feeling defeated. Despite being physically active, he told me, "Doc, I just don't feel like a man anymore." It wasn't just about intimacy. He had lost the drive he once had in life itself. His energy, his zest for the day was gone, and no matter what he tried, he just couldn't get it back. That's when we looked into his hormones, specifically his testosterone levels. Testosterone isn't just a hormone, it's the fuel for your confidence, your strength, and your drive. And as we age, it tends to decrease, but the solution is simpler than most think. Enter avocado. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the good fats that your body needs to produce healthy levels of testosterone. They're also rich in magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B6, all essential nutrients that help restore balance to your hormones, and they also work to reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that quietly suppresses testosterone over time. When Harold started eating just half an avocado a day, adding it to his breakfast or topping his salad with it, something remarkable happened. Within a week, his energy surged. He said it felt like the fire he thought was gone forever started to flicker back to life. His confidence returned, and he felt more present, grounded, and alive. It was a simple change, but the impact on his life was profound. Harold is just one of many men I've worked with who've turned their energy and vitality around by making this small, yet powerful change. So, if you've been feeling a little off, if you've noticed your fire starting to dim, maybe it's time to bring avocado back into your routine. It's not about chasing youth, it's about reclaiming the vitality and confidence that you deserve. 3. Banana. Lastly, let's talk about the humble banana. It's often overlooked, but this fruit is packed with essential nutrients that support heart health, regulate blood pressure, and fuel your body with the energy you need to take on the day. Now, let me tell you about Walter. He was 73 and had always been an active guy, but when he came into my office one day, something was off. Walter wasn't himself. He was constantly tired, physically and mentally drained. He said, "Doc, I wake up feeling already worn out. I can't get through the day without feeling exhausted." Many men feel like Walter. You've been active, you've lived a full life, but the energy isn't quite there anymore. The good news is, the answer might be simpler than you think. Let me introduce you to the banana. Bananas are packed with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all nutrients that your body needs to regulate blood pressure, reduce muscle cramps, and most importantly, provide you with steady, consistent energy throughout the day. These nutrients work behind the scenes to keep your blood vessels healthy and your energy levels stable. That means you won't experience the sudden crashes that often come with other types of energy boosts. Walter started his day with a simple change. He added a banana to his breakfast every morning. And within just a few days, he felt a noticeable shift. No more mid-morning slumps. No more energy crashes. Instead, he had consistent, steady energy that carried him through the day. He felt more focused, more present, and best of all, he felt like himself again. So, if you're feeling the way Walter did, if the energy isn't as consistent as it used to be, try adding a banana to your morning routine. It's easy, it's natural, and it can make a world of difference in how you feel each and every day. Why these three fruits work better together. Now, let's take everything to the next level. Imagine combining all three of these powerful fruits, pomegranate, avocado, and banana, into your daily routine. Each of these fruits brings something unique to the table. Pomegranate boosts circulation, avocado balances testosterone, and banana fuels your energy. But here's the thing, when you combine them, they work together to create a powerhouse for your body's circulation, hormones, and energy. You see, individually, each fruit is a powerful tool, but together, they become a holistic solution that addresses multiple areas of health at once, something no pill or supplement can replicate. It's not about relying on one magic fix, it's about feeding your body what it truly needs to thrive. And these three fruits provide exactly that. Pomegranate opens up your arteries, improving blood flow and enhancing circulation throughout your body. Avocado works behind the scenes to restore your testosterone levels naturally, giving you that grounded strength and confidence. And banana? It powers your cells with consistent energy, ensuring that you stay sharp and active all day long. Together, they form a solid foundation for vitality that no synthetic solution can match. So, if you're ready to start making a change that doesn't require complicated pills or expensive treatments, these three fruits are the simple, natural answer. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you're creating a sustainable path to better health, stronger circulation, balanced hormones, and steady energy. Conclusion. Now is the time to take control of your health. It's in your hands. Choose the foods that nourish your body and choose to restore your energy and confidence. Starting today, you don't need to wait any longer for things to get better. The simple changes you make now can lead to lasting improvements in how you feel, how you move, and how you live. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. It doesn't have to mean slowing down or giving up the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. The truth is, you can still be the strong, energetic man you were, maybe even stronger and more vibrant than you've been in years. It's not about fighting age. It's about embracing the process and giving your body what it needs to stay strong, healthy, and full of life. So, let today be the day you start the journey toward reclaiming your vitality. You've got the power to make that change, one simple step at a time. Remember, strength isn't about age. It's about alignment. When your body's blood, hormones, and energy are in balance, you'll feel like yourself again, strong, vibrant, and fully alive. It's not about turning back the clock, but about giving your body the support it needs to function at its best, no matter your age. If this video has helped you, and you believe in the value of honest, science-backed health advice, consider making a small donation to help us keep this channel independent. Your support will allow us to continue providing high-quality content that's focused on empowering men like you to take control of your health and vitality without the clutter of ads or sponsors. Every dollar makes a difference, and we truly appreciate your contribution. Thank you for watching and for being a part of this mission. Remember, your best days aren't behind you, they're ahead of you. It all starts with the choices you make today. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. I want to leave you with this: your best days are ahead of you. The road to better health and vitality starts right now, and it's in your hands. You've got the power to live life on your terms, strong, confident, and full of energy. The choices you make today will shape the future you deserve. So, go ahead, take that first step. Make the changes that will transform your health. You're just getting started, and your future is bright. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.